Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre la prononciation de la combinaison GN en français. Good morning everyone, my name is Suchita, your French language instructor, and in this video we are going to learn the pronunciation of the combination GN in French. Now, if I pronounce them separately, then the sound of this would be J. Remember I told you while doing the video on alphabets that the G is pronounced as J and J as pronounced as G. Okay, so this is not G in French, this is J and this is N. But when we combine them together, then it has a very different sound. The sound is near. It is near. Okay, so that means G does not have any sound whenever G and comes together. So the sound becomes near. I have written few words over here which have the combination GN. Yes, and we'll learn the pronunciation of GN, which is quite absurd in French, through these words. Repeat after me, okay? La montagne. Now over here we have GN. Montagne. Montagne, which means the mountain. Now next is la ligne. La ligne. Over here we have, which means the line. The next is, we have GN combination over here. So this is what? This is loignon. It is loignon. Remember I told you the pronunciation of OI is OA. So it is loignon, which means the onion. GN again. So OI is OA. So un poignet. Un poignet, which means a wrist. A wrist. The wrist, because I've written le. The next is a peigne. A peigne. GN. So peine, which means comb. Okay. The next is une araignée. Une araignée. Nia. Araignée, which means a spider, which is an insect. Okay. The next is GN. It is mignon. The pronunciation is mignon. Mignon, which means cute. It's an adjective. The next is, it's a verb, so therefore I have not written any un before this. This is gagner. The pronunciation is gagner. Gagner, which means to earn. So for example, you say je gagne de l'argent, which means I earn some money. On les répète. Répétez après moi. Remember the pronunciation of GN in French is near. It is near. So la montagne. Repeat after me. La montagne. La ligne. Loignon. Loignon. Le poignet. Poignet. Un peigne. Un peigne. Une araignée. Une araignée. Mignon. Mignon, which means cute. Et finalement, gagner. The word is gagner. Now, over here I have written a sentence which has various words with GN combinations. Repeat after me and you will learn the pronunciation of this GN. Remember I told you the pronunciation of GN is near. It is near. Now, repeat after me. Je prends, the verb is prendre, to take. Je prends le champagne, champagne, des oignons et des champignons. Once again. Je prends le champagne, des oignons et des champignons. So GN is near. What is the meaning? I take the champagne, some onions and some mushrooms. Champignon, which means mushrooms. Now one more time, just remember the pronunciation of GN is near. It is near. One more time. Je prends le champagne, des oignons et des champignons. You can also frame your sentences which has various words with GN combinations and try to master on this pronunciation GN. Now, over here I have written certain words which have GN combinations in them. You are going to tell me the pronunciation and then verify with my pronunciations. Okay? So, let's look at this one. Try to think what will be the pronunciation. Remember, the pronunciation of GN is near. It is near. What will be the pronunciation? Baigner. It is baigner. Baigner, which means to take a bath. Baigner. Over here, what is the pronunciation? If you want to think, you can pause the video. Think and tell me the pronunciation. It is ignorer. Ignorer. GN near. Ignorer, which means to ignore. The next is this one. Try to think. Always break the words into parts, okay? SI. It is signer. It is signer. Signer, which means to sign, to do signatures. The next is this one. It is champagne. Très bien. It is champagne. The meaning is same as English. Champagne, that we drink. Okay. Now this one. It is what? Réfléchissez. Champignon. Bravo. It is champignon. Champignon, which means what? Champignon, mushrooms. Okay, this one. Réfléchissez. It is mignon. The pronunciation is mignon. Mignon, which means cute. Now this one. Think. It is soigner. It is soigner. I told you the pronunciation of OI is OA. So SOI becomes SOA and then near. Soigner. Soigner, which means to take care of. So for example, if I say the nurse takes care of the patients. So in that case, we are going to use this particular verb, soigner. Alright, this is verb. Then this is also verb. This is also verb. This is also verb. This is an adjective. These two are nouns. On les répète. Répétez après moi maintenant. Baigner, ignorer, soigner, mignon, champignon, champagne et finalement signer. Just remember the pronunciation of GN is near en français.